VR games are a very special gaming experience for me. I like this, different way of interacting with virtual reality where the shooting process, physics and unusual game mechanics feel really different. I've worked with a few VR projects before, and that's why Another World's project Kernel really interested me as a commercial cinematic trailer. It was my first experience of creating a big CGI project where I was a storyteller and a director and an animator and a CG artist in one person. So in the first step, I studied the game process and made a script based on the main gameplay mechanics like covers, portals, weapon interactions, shooting at the different floors and so on. Most of the ideas were tested on a very draft animation to understand and approve the final timing of each scene, but some parts needs to be tested inside the game. For example, can the player run through 3 portals at a high speed, killing enemies and dodging bullets at the same time? Well, it looks cool, but we have to test it before implementation. In this video, I used the original game locations and characters, and I wanted to show how players effectively can use the environment and move smoothly, so the character's motion had to be as realistic as possible. And the best solution for that was to use the OptiTrack motion capture. It's a serious and pretty expensive process to work with the mocap actors, and because there were so many scenes with many characters, I had to prepare a very detailed plan with everything: timing, text description, references, and raw animation renders. The session was set up remotely, and the Anvil frame team helped me a lot to control the working process on set, which saved us a lot of time and gave a great result. Another big thing was the creation of the live action part, because, well, we need to show how the game looks like for real players in a physical arena. To make it happen, I made a video test with myself as an actor to check the light and cameras, lenses, timing, everything, and then I built a simple copy of the real location in Unreal Engine, created a draft animation, checked the available real light approach, and only then we organized the actual shoot where Metkin production and I went strictly with the plan and video script. Here is a very important point on the fact that only careful planning of every step allows you to stitch many different episodes into one complete story, and without good planning it may take more time and money to experiment on set, or in the worst case get a lot of critical issues on the editing. And the last but not least, the music and sound effects. Dmitry Romanovich wrote a beautiful and deep track, just listen. It was amazing. So that's how it was done. An incredible experience and a great project with Another World, and I hope there will be more game cinematics in the future.